Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check the flight status in the Viva Aerobus application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the track button at the bottom of the page. And as you can see, you can track using the flight number or the route. So just click on the one that you want to use and then just add the flight number option. Just type your flight number and then the date, and then just click on the search button. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.